All right, as the wood's going, I wanted to just show off a nice little trick that I used to do when I was in Boy Scouts. We had our big pots where we would warm up water to wash our dishes and stuff like that. And you know, this stuff didn't stay out at the campground. It was stuff that we packed away in our big kitchen sets and stuff like that. So one of the things that we did was we would take dishwashing soap and put it all over. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All over our pots. And so when it would char, so I'm going to set this down. When it would char, it was easier to clean up. And you know, that was one of the things. If you don't care, if you're putting this, if you have a small, you know, I see a lot of people on YouTube and see their small little kits, and they put it right back into a you know, a nice little, hope I'm getting this in the camera. They put it back into a package and or you know, some kind of bag, and that's pretty much where it stays. But our stuff was, you know, going in and out, touching a bunch of stuff, and we didn't have, these were big tubs that we used to heat up water to wash dishes and stuff with, and so we didn't want it to get everything dirty, char everywhere. So we would do this, and it helped to clean it up and to save it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, and I've got about 5 cups of water that I'm going to go ahead and add to that. I'm gonna go ahead and, so you can see how it's burning down very nicely.